Are you looking for a reliable way to organize company knowledge or team processes right inside Clickup? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to set up a user-friendly internal wiki in Clickup. So by the end, you'll have a central hub where everyone can find important information, collaborate easily, and keep things updated as your business grows. Let's get started. First, open up your Clickup workspace. This is the main dashboard where all your projects, tasks, and docs live. If you're already familiar with it, you know how customizable and powerful Clickup can be, but today we're focusing on tapping into its docs feature to create a proper wiki, a place for storing your company guidelines, FAQs, onboarding materials, anything that needs to be referenced repeatedly. Once you're in your workspace, look towards the side or top where you'll find a prominent Create button. Clickup keeps this pretty visible so that starting new tasks, docs, or anything important is just one click away. Go ahead and click Create. You'll see a list of items you can make, from tasks to whiteboards. For our wiki, select Doc. This option lets you build detailed documents with rich formatting, perfect for organizing information and making it accessible for your team. Now here's a small but powerful tip. Instead of starting from a blank doc, we'll make this process faster and more robust by using a template. On the right-hand side of the document creation window, you'll notice a Templates tab. Click on this. Templates are really helpful in Clickup. They give you structure and guidance, especially if it's your first time setting up a wiki. It's like getting a jump start with some best practices built in. In the Templates box, type the word Wiki into the search bar. This will pull up any templates that are designed specifically for wiki-style documentation. You may notice several options, but for most businesses, Company Wiki is the one that suits best. Click on Company Wiki and then select Use Template. At this point, Clickup will instantly generate a doc populated with example sections common to company wikis, like About Us, Team Directory, Procedures, Resources, and FAQs. This foundation makes it much easier to get started, as you're not staring at a blank page wondering what content to include. Feel free to take a few moments here to look through each section. You can start editing right away, swap in your own policies, add links, or create new categories as you need. Don't worry if your information doesn't fit perfectly into the template at first. You can always customize it. Think of this template as scaffolding. It gives structure, but you control all the details. Over time, you'll build out the wiki further based on your team's feedback and needs, and that's really it. You've now set up an internal wiki in Clickup that your team can access, contribute to, and keep up to date. Just like that, you have a living knowledge base, no more searching through scattered documents or forgotten email threads. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop any questions you have in the comments below, and of course, subscribe for more practical Clickup guides and productivity tips. Catch you in the next video.